I wonder if we're gonna see anything for that baby chick. A duck muzzle? For your dog? I guess that's close enough. Okay, I see. This way your pupper doesn't sneak snacks without you knowing. Especially any suspicious breadcrumbs. Yeah, that's right, I read Hansel and Gretel. And your puppy's already got a Halloween costume, too. Yes, it's playtime. Bring on the toys. It's like a carrot patch with hidden treasure. Never underestimate a puppy's sense of smell. I sense a pattern. Oh, look under the carrots. Now let's see if we can make our own fun. If you ever wanted to play tic-tac-toe with animals, now you know how. Wait, do you have to eat the treats too? And it looks like we have a winner. And he's such a good sport. Looks like more things for your pet to wear. But this time, we're going with cats. Make sure Mr. Kitty is nice and secure. Zip up that zipper. Wow. Now your cat can get lost in a good book as you hold it for them. Okay, our plan B is going to be wearing this shirt like a pouch. In you go. Now he's got a nice place to relax as you prepare him snacks. A collar that lights up. Now that is a real fashion statement. This'll really step up your dog's laser tag game. And of course, making him easy to spot in the dark. Then again, we can always make this out of glow sticks. Just keep adding them on. And make sure that they fit, and hopefully last a while. And just like that, your pooch is ready for a rave. 2 different brushes for your cat, because cats deserve nice things. It even catches and releases all that excess fur. Now it's a wig. Oh, we're gonna add some special touches to this brush. Cool. It's like you made a little homespun scratching post. Oh, you gotta love that the cat does its own brushing. But all that hair? Boo! It's alive! Alive! No, wait, it's not alive. Okay, let's go find a dog to try this out on. I think that big piece goes on the bottom. Yeah, it's a perfect fit. Spider dog does whatever a spider dog does. Can we swing from a web? Probably not, 'cause he's a dog. Honestly, anything cute that also scares people is just perfect for Halloween. What makes this cat toy more interactive than regular cat toys? Well, I guess we're gonna find out, aren't we? Oh, wow! Huh, it moves on its own. All the fun of playing with your cat, without actually playing with your cat. Or the fun. Yeah, in other words, some cats just have good taste. Okay, what's next? Oh yeah, who wouldn't wish to be a cat? Such a glorious life. Especially when they make it so easy to groom yourself. With enough of that fur, we can make a hat for a cat. Next up is a little something special for the cat.
Wow!
This combines the fun of an avocado with the things cats go nuts for, catnip. This kitty's gonna sleep well tonight. Now, what can we do with this toilet paper roll? First, cut it up into 4 pieces. Fold them together into a sphere and add a treat inside. And once again, the game begins. Oh, it's not free, it's priceless. Oh good, now our canine friends get to join in on the fun, and with tasty treats. Come on, puppy, put your nose to work and find those goodies. Seems like fun, but can we repeat this game with a towel? Just lay the kibble on the towel and then roll it up, like sushi. Seems to work just as well, but you're not sticking the toy in the laundry. Dog care is a little more than just fun and games. Being a responsible pet owner can be real dirty work. In other words, honey, that's not a purse. Oh, well, get your bag ready. It's time for a walk. Oh man, I don't want to know what you've been feeding this dog. Good idea. Use the tool. You don't know where this toy's been. And you can throw it away without getting your hands dirty. Hey, don't tell me what I can and can't use for a purse. All these bristles should make paw cleaning a breeze. And look, it's electric. Just press the button and add water. And just in time, too. Look at those dirty paws. It's like a before and after. Let's fix that. Much better.
Wow.
But let's try out the homemade version.
Ew!
It's a cup, but what'll we do for bristles? Good idea. Don't forget to add water. And by the looks of it, you'll need to power it yourself. It looks like it works just as well. You'll save quite a bit if you put in some elbow grease. Time for dinner. Good, because I haven't eaten in like a whole hour. A nice salad. And the puppy gets... just some kibble. And even he doesn't look too appetized. Maybe it's all in the presentation. Let's cut along the lines. It's just like coloring. And we want some bend to it, so add some tape. Now everything's got a nice shape. But still, we don't want to show off something that looks like cardboard. Gold-colored paint covers all sins. And so do a bunch of fake jewels. Just don't advertise the fake bit. Man, and all this just to host the dog food bowl. Speaking of which, can we jazz up the food here too? Great! Good boy. Look at him eating. Of course, pets need to stay hydrated when you carry them around. And with a few little twists and turns, it becomes a fountain. Maybe we can do the same by cutting it up. Like all our best crafts, it's time to add some fire. Stick in a bottle of water. Loosen the cap and let gravity do its job. Either way, the dogs like it. Any other photo ideas? Let's make a fun border. Now pick a theme. Ah yes, the source of all happiness, money. Just don't use the real kind. Though by the looks of things, this new owner can probably afford to. Oh, he'll look so handsome in his portrait. Surrounded by money, just like Scrooge McDuck.